How to clear the app's cache and app's data for OnePlus phones with Android 14, and let's get started. So if you want to clear the cache or the data stored on a particular app, the first thing you need to do is find the app and then long press that app like this here. When this happens, you'll see this circle with the eye here. You'll tap on that one time. That's going to take you to the app info section. Once in the app info section, you'll go to where it says storage, this right here. And from here now, you'll see the clear data option and the clear cache. I would recommend clearing the cache first if your app is acting kind of weird or for some reason it's just not doing what it's supposed to do. But then if you want to clear the data, that also means it's going to give your app a refresh back to how it was when you first installed the app. So it's going to clear out whatever sign in you did to that app itself or any user accounts on that app itself, and pretty much anything that might have been stored on that app itself. So before you do clear data, be careful with that. But that's just if you want to go ahead and do that. And then you could just go back and sign in to that particular app itself, okay? But that's that. Like, it's a